Gentong English. Learn English with Zara. Nama-nama tempat umum dalam bahasa Inggris. Sekolah, school, school. Perpustakaan, library, library. Kantor polisi, police station, police station. Rumah sakit, hospital, hospital. Bank, bank, bank. Masjid, mosque, mosque. Gereja, church, church. Kuil, temple, temple. Vihara, monastery, monastery. Kantor pos, post office, post office. Apotik, pharmacy, pharmacy. Pengadilan, court, court. Pabrik, factory, factory. Pasar, market, market. Restoran, restaurant, restaurant. Kafe, cafe, cafe. Bioskop, cinema, cinema. Tempat potong rambut, barbershop, barbershop. Hotel, hotel, hotel. Apartemen, apartment, apartment. Bandara, airport, airport. Pelabuhan, port, port. Stasiun kereta api, railway station, railway station. Terminal bis, bus station, bus station. School, library, police station, hospital, bank, mosque, church, temple, monastery, post office, pharmacy, court, factory, market, restaurant, cafe, cinema, barbershop, hotel, apartment, airport, port, railway station, bus station.